Hi you guys, Lights 132 here. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to I'm going to show you how to distress these jeans, and then we're going to do it for the first time I'm ever going to try this. One of my subscribers asked me how to do an acid wash jean, so I'm going to attempt to acid wash this pair. This is a simple pair of jeans right here. They're not as thick, they're a darker version of a jean. You see where I already marked where I'm going to start my distress look of it. And then the back part of the pockets, I really don't like the pockets, so I think I'm gonna take the pockets off completely of both of them. So first I'm gonna distress these jeans, and then I'm gonna show you how to, or my attempt to, how I acid wash. So, alright you guys, this is what the jeans are looking like. This is what it looks, the pocket side looks like in the back, where I took the pockets out. I hope you guys can really see me. Tell me some you in some. Okay, so what you're going to need for this process is a bucket. You're going to also need some bleach. If I would have thought that I was going to do this earlier, I would have went to the store and just got like the cheaper bleach instead of using my good bleach. From doing my research, a lot of people use rubber bands, but I don't have any large rubber bands, but I do have these elastic bands that I'm going to use to help with the pants. So what I'm going to do is, I already have like a cup and a half of water into this bucket. So I'm going to pour quite a few, I don't know, I didn't measure that. But the bucket is like halfway. You want to make sure it's enough bleach so that once you submerge your jeans into it, it'll come over it. You know, if it doesn't, you know, I'll go back and add more. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to try to scrunch my jeans up a little, not in no real order. I hope you guys can see me doing this. I'm gonna scrunch them all the way up on each side. That's one. And I'm gonna try not to go the same direction as I went with that one, but just scrunch them up, all up together. Okay, now I'm going to take my elastic band, again I hope you guys can see, and just tie these together. Wrap it around it however you want to. Make sure that it's tight. I'm going to go several times on this because this band, you can stretch this band. Like if you had the rubber band, you probably only go once, but I'm gonna break this. Maybe I'll tie this up and then use my other one. So I'm gonna hold this down. So I think I broke that piece up here. Let's see. Didn't break it. So I'm holding it with my knee just so it won't come apart. I'm going to add this one on too for extra support and security. This one right here. Alright, so I'm going to take my jeans. I'm a home person. I like to get my hands in the stuff anyway. So if you're so squeamish, you know, about the bleach smell and all of that, then you probably need some gloves. I'm not going to use gloves. So I'm going to take these and just submerge these in bleach. Submerge them all in there. Now by these not being so thick, okay, as I was saying, by these not being so thick, you know, it wouldn't probably take that long for them to soak in this bleach. I guess this is depending on how light you want these. Some people say you can soak them for an hour, up to 24 hours, and these aren't thick jeans, so I don't think I would have to soak them for that long. But I'm going to soak them, and I'm going to time how long I soak them for, and then I'll let you guys know. Just stay tuned for the finished block. They're already turning light already. Alright you guys, it's been about maybe 30 minutes. I'm going to dump this out, but you can see what they look like. Dump this bleach out, and then I'm going to unloose these jeans just to see how they came out. Cross your fingers. Like I said, this is my first time ever doing this, you guys. So I don't know how it's really gonna turn out. I hope it turns out. Look a little yellow. Maybe I left them in for a little too long. But this is what they're looking like thus far. I like them. Oh God. It's just, I just hope they're not this yellow once I wash them. This is what they're looking like, you guys. It already started to fray the rip part of the stress part of the jean. So right now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put them, let me let you see the back. This is where the pockets were. The back of the jean, look at that, I like that. This is the back side. And then look, they're not the same. Like, that's why I said don't try to put them in the same order, but I like that. Look how this turned out. So now I'm gonna put them in the washer. Alright, you guys, I already put my Tide Pod in there. And I have another pair of distressed jeans that I need to wash, but I'm just gonna put these in there by themselves because of the bleach. So, put those in. Again, when I do my distressed jeans, I put them on the sole level. I put them on like extra heavy just so I can get that distressed look going a little bit more. Then I can only wash them once. So I'm going to use some cool water. And then these are, let's put whites because, you know, because I put the bleach in there. And that's it. I'm going to start it. Stay tuned to the end.